Guys, I'm gonna pick my best fan is. Like, whoever's like giving me some like good comments and stuff. And the first prize is not that good, but I will give somebody a blue glow-in-the-dark fidget spinner. Whoever's like my fan, like supports me, like say I'm good and stuff, and on Instagram too. So get this fidget spinner. Next time I'll do something a little better. So you're gonna get this blue glow-in-the-dark fidget spinner. Okay? Peace out.